As parents, we all know that getting our kids to eat their veggies can sometimes feel like an Olympic-level feat. The battle at the dinner table can be daunting, but what if there were a fun and stealthy way to ensure your kids get the nutrients they need? Enter the world of smoothies for kids, a delightful, nutritious, and kid-approved solution to the age-old problem of getting your little ones to eat their greens. In this article, we will explore the magic of smoothies, share some delicious recipes, and show you how to turn your picky eater into a happy and healthy one. The art of sneaking in the good stuff. One of the greatest advantages of smoothies for kids is the ability to sneak in a variety of fruits and vegetables without them even noticing. For instance, a handful of spinach can seamlessly disappear into a vibrant green smoothie that tastes more like a fruity dessert than a health elixir. The sweetness of fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes can mask the flavors of less popular vegetables, creating a win-win situation. The nutritional boost. Smoothies are not only stealthy but also incredibly nutritious. They provide a convenient way to incorporate essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber into your child's diet. For example, vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges and strawberries can boost their immune system, while calcium-packed yogurt or dairy alternatives can promote healthy bone development. Recipes that kids adore. Here are a few kid-friendly smoothie recipes to get you started. Berry Blast. Blend together strawberries, blueberries, a banana, Greek yogurt, and a handful of spinach. Your kids will love the vibrant purple color. Tropical Paradise. Combine mango, pineapple, coconut milk, and a little kale for a taste of the tropics right at your kitchen table. Chocolate Peanut Butter Delight. Make a healthy version of a milkshake with banana, cocoa powder, natural peanut butter, and a splash of almond milk. Green Monster. Sneak in those veggies with spinach, cucumber, apple, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The apple adds a touch of natural sweetness. Incorporate kids into the process. To make smoothies even more enticing for kids, involve them in the process. Let them choose their favorite fruits or suggest new ones to try. Allow them to press the blender button or add ingredients to the mix. This hands-on approach can make them feel like smoothie superheroes. Conclusion. Smoothies for kids are a game-changer when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet without the dinner table drama. They're delicious, nutritious, and a fantastic way to introduce a variety of fruits and vegetables into your child's diet. With a bit of creativity and some sneaky blending, you can turn your picky eater into a happy and healthy one smoothie at a time. So, let's toast to the magic of smoothies for kids and those hidden veggies that make all the difference.